Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to see if we can straighten up the windscreen in this Zippo Slim insert. I'm going to use the insert in this, I believe it's a 1972 Zippo Slim to basically kind of pattern off of and hopefully replicate that shape. We'll see. It is pretty far bent out of shape, but anyway, we will have this over here for reference. And I'm going to start just with the pair of bent pliers that I use most often. I'm not real worried about marring this up because, as you can see, it's already been bent up pretty well. It looks like it's had several pairs of pliers and something knocking it around. So I'm not real worried about the aesthetics of it. If you had a really good insert that was bent up like this, it would just say crushed inward, you would probably want to take some protections, put some rubber, maybe if you've got pieces of some old rubber gloves or something in there to use in the jaws so that you're not going to get it marred up any worse than you have to. But as I said, I'm not real worried about it, so I'm just going to go ahead and get to work. Now we'll see, it's obvious that this back piece is probably going to need to be reshaped a little bit and also bent in a little bit different manner. These pieces right here should meet in the middle, but there's no way that they can do it while this metal is bent in the way that it is currently. So I'm going to try to move each of these back parts of the windscreen backward a little bit, or to the side a little bit, not backward, outward would have been a better word. Okay. So that definitely got us the width we needed. Now if we can get this all aligned. There and about. Need to kind of contour this a little better, I think. And I'm probably going to end up breaking it even more in the meantime. But I may have just accomplished there what I was trying to. It is meeting in the back. It is back widened in the front. It could probably use a little bit here, it looks like. Hopefully the next bend I make isn't the one that breaks the entire windscreen off of there. But that looks a lot better to me. Let's compare it to the other one. And I don't know, it may actually look straighter than this one does now. This one is kind of bent in the back a little bit, I think. So that's close enough for me. And we were able to bend that around with a pair of pliers. Simple enough. I do suspect at some point this may start giving me some trouble because of these seams that are cracked. But all in all, I'm happy with that rebending effort that you just saw. So we'll get that in there. Should be fueled still. Maybe we can, I don't know, it may have dried out. I can't remember how many days ago that was. We'll go ahead and get some more fuel in it here. I am not going to, I was tempted, you almost saw me do it, but I'm either going to use one of these rods, as I talked about the other day, or a small screwdriver. That way I'm not pinching in on that when I pull the insert from the lighter. And this one is very tight, and I will knock the camera off the set here if I don't watch it. There we go. Just drives me crazy when these bottles leak from the lid where they're not supposed to. Get that dried out. It didn't take much to get that lighter fluid gone. Well, that flame is lifting up a little bit higher than it was the other day anyway. Looks a little stronger, and it was fueled up the other day as well, so that may have made a difference. We'll see. I'll continue to use it here over the next few days. That insert doesn't really hold that tight very well. I could definitely do for a new insert in that. But, like I said, for the time being, I have no problem using this one. And I believe this is still the only lighter I have that has my name engraved on it. I didn't do it. I found it that way. That's all right. Take it nonetheless. Until next time.